Hi everyone, welcome to my channel EduVriddhi. In this video, we are going to study the trick to remember alkali and alkali earth metals. Let us start with alkali metals, which belong to first group of the periodic table. And these are the elements which are present in the first group, that is hydrogen with atomic number 1 and symbol H, then lithium with atomic number 3 and symbol Li, and next comes sodium with atomic number 11 and symbol Na, and next comes potassium with atomic number 19 and symbol K, then rubidium with atomic number 37 and symbol Rb, and then cesium with atomic number 55 and symbol Cs, and then comes finally francium with atomic number 87 and symbol Fr. So remember, only sodium and potassium of the first group, they have a symbol which is different from their names. So sodium, the name is sodium, but it is represented as Na, and potassium, it is represented as K. So before studying how to remember or memorize the elements which are present in first group or their names, let us study how to remember the atomic number of the elements which are present in the first group. So let us study first how to memorize this one. So for this we are using magic numbers. So there are numbers which are called as magic numbers, and those magic numbers are like this: 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, and finally 32. So these numbers are called as magic numbers. You have to by heart these numbers in the same order, that is 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, and finally 32. Now how to find the atomic number of these elements? So what we will do is, at first we will be knowing the first element of the first group, that is we already know that hydrogen is the first element and it is having atomic number 1. Now to find the next atomic number, we will take the first magic number, that is 2, and we will add here to the first atomic number. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. We will get the next atomic number. Next add the second magic number 8 to this number. So 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. So we got the next atomic number. Once again add the next magic number to this 11. So 11 plus 8 is equal to 19. Then add the next magic number 19 plus 18, that will be equal to 37. Once again add 18 to this 37. We will get 55. Finally add the last magic number, that is 32. So that 55 plus 32, we will get the answer as 87. So by using these magic numbers, we can easily calculate the atomic number of the succeeding elements. Next we will study how to remember the names of the first group elements. For this I have built a story, and this story is very much funny and is also interesting. And whatever the names which are taken in this story, they are not of any personal interest. They are just taken for easy remembering of the names of the elements. So the concept of the story is like this. There will be a town where hydrogen and sodium will be living. Okay, hydrogen and sodium will be living in a same town, and both this hydrogen and sodium are big enemies. They are not friends, they are big enemies, so that they will hate each other. They will be hating each other. And in the same town where this hydrogen and sodium lived, there will be a murder, and that murder will be of a girl who is named as Francie. And that Francie was sister of Robert. Okay, Robert's sister Francie was murdered in a town where hydrogen and sodium lived. This is the concept of the story, and the phrase or sentence which is used to remember these alkali metals goes like this: hydrogen lied that sodium killed Robert's sister Francie. So hydrogen lied that sodium killed Robert's sister Francie. Here in the hydrogen we have the same name, hydrogen. It's easy to remember. In light, in the word light, we have lithium, Li. That sodium, so here you have to remember it's the direct name of the element sodium, but the symbol is different, Na. Killed, here we have capital K, that's nothing but potassium. Robert's sister, so Robert, here we have Rb, that is rubidium. In the word sister, we pronounce it as cis, so there is cesium. And name Francie, we have Fr, that is francium. So hydrogen lied that sodium killed Robert's sister Francie. So this is how you can easily remember the elements of first group. Next, let us study how to remember the names of alkali earth metals, that is second group elements. So these are second group elements: beryllium with atomic number 4 represented as Be, magnesium with atomic number 12 represented as Mg, calcium with atomic number 20 represented as Ca, strontium with atomic number 38 represented as Sr, barium with atomic number 56 represented as Ba, and finally radium with atomic number 88 represented as Ra. So let us first see how to remember the atomic number of these elements, or how to find out the atomic number of second group elements. For this also we use the same thing, that is magic numbers. We will use magic numbers to find the atomic number. So we know that 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, these are magic numbers. And in case of finding atomic number of second group elements, we will leave the first magic number. Okay, this is the exceptional case. We will leave first magic number, that is 2, and we will only use the remaining magic numbers. So this is why, because if you consider periodic table, in the first group we have hydrogen, then here lithium, and to the next we have here beryllium. So this is first group, this is second group, this is first period, this is second period. So beryllium starts from the second period and not the first period. So we will be leaving the magic number 2 and using the remaining magic numbers. So let us find out the atomic number now, and we know that the head of the second group family, that is beryllium, and it is having atomic number 4. And to find the other atomic numbers, we will go on adding this magic numbers. At first we will add 8 to this 4, so that we will get the atomic number as 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Next add second magic number, that is 8. We will get 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. Then add 18. 20 plus 18 will be equal to 38. Then add 18. 38 plus 18 will be equal to 56. Finally 56 plus 32 will be equal to 88. This is how we can find atomic number of second group elements by using the magic numbers. So remember, here we are using only 8, 8, 18, 18 and 32. Next, let us see how to remember the names of alkaline earth metals. For this also I have created a story, and the story goes like this. There will be a famous bakery in a street, and in that bakery there will be a senior baker whose name was Raghav. And this Raghav was so much hard working that his work was appreciated by the owner of the bakery. And this owner thought to give some gift to this Raghav for his work. So one day the owner gave best manufacturing car in the world as a gift to senior baker Raghav. So the sentence for remembering alkaline earth metals goes like this. Best manufacturing car in the world was gifted to senior baker Raghav. So in the word best we have Be, that is beryllium. In manufacturing we have Mg, that is magnesium. In the word car we have Ca, that is calcium. And in the word senior we have Sr, that is strontium. And in the word baker we have Ba, that is barium. And in the name Raghav we have Ra, that is radium. So this is the sentence for remembering alkaline earth metals. Best manufacturing car in the world was gifted to senior baker Raghav. I hope that you enjoyed learning these tricks, and this is how you can make learning of these periodic elements very much easier and interesting. Thank you for watching the video.